A. A is for apple.
Ouch!
B. B is for butterfly. C. C is for car. D. D is for dinosaur. Dinosaur.
George loves Mr. Dinosaur.
E. E is for egg. F. F is for frog. I'm a little froggy. I'm a little froggy. G. G is for George. H. H is for horn. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for Jack-in-the-Box. K. K is for kite.
Daddy Pig flies the kite very well.
Wow!
Yes, I am a bit of an expert at these things.
L. L is for lemonade. Finished! M. M is for muddy puddles.
Peppa loves jumping up and down in muddy puddles. Everyone loves jumping up and down in muddy puddles.
N. N is for Nurse Susie. I'm Nurse Susie. Open wide and say ah. Ah. O. O is for owl. P. P is for parrot.
I am a clever parrot.
I'm a clever parrot. Q. Q is for quack. R. R is for rain.
It is raining today, so Peppa and George cannot play outside.
S. S is for snowman.
Snowman is wearing his hat and scarf and gloves.
T. T is for Teddy. Here's some orange juice for you, Teddy. What do you say? Thank you very much, Peppa. You're very welcome, Teddy. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for violin.
Oh dear, I do not think it is meant to sound like that.
W. W is for worm. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yawn.
Peppa, are you sleepy?
No, Daddy. I am not sleepy at all. Z. Z is for zebra.
Mr. Zebra, the postman, is delivering a parcel to Peppa's house.
Parcel for you, Mr. Pig.
Thank you, Mr. Zebra. Goodbye!